Welcome back to our 2020 virtual outdoor education field day. This next presentation comes from Robin Houseworth, our 4-H after-school educator, and Darby Lukowski, an active Seneca County 4-H member. Robin and Darby have given workshops and presentations at Outdoor Education Field Day for the past 3 years, and we're super happy to have them back again this year. So Robin and Darby, thanks for joining us.
Hi, as Nate mentioned, my name is Robin. I work as a 4-H after-school educator. My role as an educator is trying to achieve a spark within the students now and perhaps into their future endeavors, including a career path. Becoming involved as a citizen scientist might be a way for the students to start on one's journey into the future. So let's discuss citizen science. What is it? Who are they? Why is it important? Where does the science take place? What does citizen science occur? When does it occur? And how to become a citizen scientist. Citizen science involves scientists and public participants engaging in real-world scientific collaboration. They're asking questions, collecting data, and interpreting results collectively as a group. Students not only learn specific concepts, but they can practice their understanding to investigate the natural world through the process of scientific inquiry. Using their senses, participants can identify connections between healthy environments and productive habitats that support various forms of life. Citizen science can take place in the classroom and club meetings. However, it will indeed start to happen outside, in areas such as bodies of water, nature trails, and backyards. Citizen science can occur whenever students like. One just has to start to observe and take data collection. To become a citizen scientist, just start. There are many resources and websites to gain even more information. So Darby is a citizen scientist, and she'll share some information about it.
So, hi, I'm Darby. I'm a sophomore and I go to Minders, and I'm an active 4-H'er. And I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the activity that we're going to be doing today. So for this activity, we'll be exploring the ecosystem. We'll be studying mini ecosystems inside of hula hoops and gathering data from them. Inside the hula hoop, you may find a variety of insects and plants, all of which are important to our ecosystem. So what exactly is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of organisms in a particular area. Everything in the ecosystem affects one another. Each tiny organism that you find plays an important role in keeping our ecosystem healthy and balanced. There are multiple kinds of ecosystems that you can find. For example, ecosystems can be in a desert, a forest, a coral reef, or in our case, it would be inside the hula hoop. All ecosystems are extremely important, as well as each organism in them. If the ecosystem was ever to fail, it could result in extinction of some species of animals, and even in worst cases, result in global warming or water shortages, which affects us humans too. It is important to protect our ecosystem so that the earth and everything on it can stay happy and healthy. Some simple ways that you can help protect our ecosystem are to recycle, clean up trash whenever you're seeing it lying around, even if it's not yours, and conserve water as much as possible. The ecosystem does so much for us, so let's do our best to make its job a little easier in return.
Thank you, Darby. That was awesome. So that was a little bit about the citizen science project that you guys do every year at Outdoor Education Field Day. I'm going to just quickly share with everybody who's watching a few more. That activity was called Circle of Life, and that came from Seneca County Cornell Cooperative Extension. And here are a few PowerPoint slides that show a whole lot of other citizen science projects. These will all be listed on a PDF document on the Outdoor Education Field Day website, right on our Seneca County CCE page. So you can see here we have BioBlitz and iNaturalist programs. These citizen science programs use photographs of plants and animals that you can share via app databases right on your cell phone. There are Globe at Night, which is a way to help scientists document light pollution. World Water Monitoring Day, you can help scientists monitor water quality. We have here Frog Watch, Monarch Larva, monitoring project. So these are a little bit of citizen science revolving around animals and wildlife. Galaxy Zoo, Project Bloodburst. You can see here that you can observe the life cycle of trees and flowers and grasses, which is a great thing to do in the spring. All of these projects allow folks like us to be citizen scientists and help real scientists keep track of data and do our part, like Darby was telling us, for our ecosystem. So we have the eBird project, which Miss Rachel will talk a little bit about in her presentation. The Great Backyard Bird Count, Nest Watch, Project Feeder Watch is really great. And then Yard Map and the Lost Ladybug Project, which is another program that Darby has had some experience with in the past as well. All of these and much, much more can be found on websites like citizenscience.gov and other websites. And you can always reach out to us for more information as well. So I'm going to stop sharing. Darby and Robin, thank you so, so much for joining us. We really, really appreciate it, and we look forward to seeing you again next year.
Well, thank you for having us.
Yeah, thank you.